What's up? Welcome back and welcome in to Red's Place. Today's another Asked and Answered segment. I've been gone for a while. I had a contest prep and then a contest and then a vacation after, so content's been a little bit light. I have a ton recorded that's going to get edited and posted, so that will be coming your way shortly. But we're going to do this quick Asked and Answered, and the question is, how do I select what UberEats orders to take? How do you figure it out? So general rule of thumb, at least in the Chicagoland area, and I'm sure this works in most places, is you want the dollar amount on the order to be twice the amount of miles. So if it's a 3-mile order, you want at least $6. Now, there's certain times of day, certain days of the week where I go just closer to a 1-to-1 or a 1.5-to-1. So if it's a 2-mile order, then I'm aiming for, either $2 or $3 on it type of thing. It just kind of depends on the day and what's going on in that area. But general rule of thumb, when it's busy, when things are going good, I am doing double the miles. And this works for like the Chicago suburbs. If you're downtown, you could probably even go a little bit higher on the dollar amount there, just because, 2 miles in downtown is going to take a lot longer to drive than 2 miles in the burbs. So things like that. Like when you go to the burbs, you can afford to bring that down below the 2. As you go downtown, you want to be above the 2. Just kind of use that as a good rule of thumb. That's how I judge most of my orders. The only kind of caveats to this is if I'm chasing a quest or any other promotion where I'm trying to do a ton of orders in that sense, then I'm doing any order 5 miles or less, regardless of pay, when I'm looking to hit a quest or hit any other type of promotion. So kind of depends on what's going on, but for the most part, it's a 2-to-1 dollar to miles ratio or a less than 5 miles if I'm chasing a quest. That's how I go about it. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me what you guys do. What do you do in your cities? What works where you're at? Is it different? Is it the same? Do you even have any rule of thumb? Do you just take every fucking order? Because that might be good too for some areas. I'm not a fan of it where I'm at, but it might be good for you. So let me know what you guys do. That's what I do. Thanks for watching. That's can't spin it. Damn. Can't finish speaking here. Like, comment, share. Thanks for watching.